The tech industry is standing on the edge of a massive paradigm shift. Every single time we think Apple has hit the ceiling, they find a way to shatter it. And what we are seeing right now with the leaked development of the MacBook Neo 2 is nothing short of a revolution in mobile computing. If you thought the original MacBook Neo changed the game by bringing A-series silicon into the Mac lineup at an aggressive price point, you aren't prepared for the sheer scale of the hardware pivot that is currently being manufactured in Apple's secretive supply chain. We are looking at a machine that isn't just an iteration. It's an evolution of the entire budget premium category. Welcome back to my channel for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The most staggering revelation coming out of the Cupertino pipeline is the integration of the A19 Pro chip. When the first Neo launched, it utilized the A18 Pro, a chip that punched well above its weight, delivering performance that left standard PC Ultrabooks in the dust for everyday tasks. But the jump to the A19 Pro is a strategic move designed to do one thing: turn the MacBook Neo 2 into an absolute powerhouse for on-device AI. We are talking about an architecture built on a more efficient process node, which means less heat, higher sustained clock speeds, and a level of responsiveness that was previously reserved for the MacBook Pro series. For the students, the creators, and the professionals who need a machine that doesn't just work, but thinks with them, the A19 Pro is the engine that finally bridges the gap between a portable budget device and a workstation-grade experience. Let's talk about the memory architecture, because this is where the industry is losing its mind. The original MacBook Neo was constrained by its 8 GB unified memory ceiling. While it was fine for light multitasking, it left power users wanting more for complex workflows or intensive creative projects. The latest supply chain leaks confirm that Apple is aggressively moving to a 12 GB unified memory standard for the MacBook Neo 2. This isn't just an extra 4 GB. This is the key that unlocks the next generation of Apple's advanced on-device intelligence models. With the extra memory, the machine can handle larger language models and more complex AI processes running locally, without relying on cloud-based latency. This is the difference between a smart computer and a truly intelligent one, and it is coming to the most affordable laptop in Apple's catalog. The design philosophy behind the MacBook Neo 2 is also undergoing a refined shift. While the original set the standard with its notchless 13-inch liquid Retina display and vibrant color palette, indigo, blush, and citrus, the new model is aiming for an even more streamlined industrial footprint. Reports indicate that Apple is tightening the chassis tolerances even further, focusing on an ultra-lightweight aluminum construction that prioritizes durability without adding a single gram of unnecessary weight. The fanless cooling system, which was the silent hero of the first generation, is being optimized to dissipate heat even more effectively under the increased thermal load of the A19 Pro. This means you can push the hardware to its absolute limits, rendering high-resolution assets or running multiple AI-driven applications without hearing a single whir of a fan or feeling the device throttle. Now, consider the user experience of the display. The 13-inch liquid Retina panel on the original was already the best in its class, offering 500 nits of brightness and a resolution that made text look like printed paper. The rumors regarding the Neo 2 suggest that Apple is pushing for an even higher color accuracy profile, moving closer to the P3 wide color gamut standards usually reserved for the Pro models. Whether you're editing photos at a coffee shop or streaming 4K content in a dim room, the visual fidelity is set to be the primary reason this device remains the undisputed king of its price bracket. Apple isn't just competing with Windows laptops. They are effectively making them obsolete in the budget to mid-range segment by offering a screen quality that simply doesn't exist at these price points anywhere else. Battery life is another arena where the Neo 2 is poised to dominate. The original managed an impressive 16 hours, but with the efficiency gains of the new A19 Pro silicon and further optimizations in macOS, we are looking at the possibility of a device that can genuinely last through a full day of heavy, real-world productivity without ever needing to look for a power outlet. This is the holy grail for the mobile worker. When you combine that longevity with the portability of a 13-inch form factor that slips into any bag like a folder, you have a machine that isn't just a computer. It's an extension of your workflow that you simply don't have to worry about managing. The connectivity suite is another point of intense speculation. Apple has been notoriously conservative with ports on the Neo line, but there is significant internal pressure and leaked information suggesting they are refining the I/O to be slightly more versatile. While we don't expect a massive influx of legacy ports, the integration of more capable USB-C standards is all but guaranteed. We are looking at a machine that is built to talk to the future of peripherals, ensuring that as you grow into your professional career, your MacBook Neo 2 grows with you. This is the brilliance of Apple's long-term strategy. They hook you with an affordable entry price, but they build a machine so capable that you don't feel the need to upgrade for years. There is also the matter of Apple Intelligence. The first generation introduced a taste of what Apple's AI could do, but the Neo 2 is being positioned as the entry point for the full, unfiltered experience. By optimizing the A19 Pro and the 12 gigabytes of RAM specifically for these tasks, Apple is ensuring that features like advanced dictation, real-time linguistic processing, and sophisticated writing assistance are buttery smooth. If you've ever felt like AI tools were a bit slow or heavy on your current laptop, the Neo 2 is built to change your mind. It is going to be the most affordable way to get your hands on the full suite of Apple's newest software ecosystem. We also have to discuss the psychological impact of this release. By keeping the price aggressive while pushing the specs to a level that feels pro, Apple is effectively creating a new ecosystem gate. They are capturing the student market, the casual creator, and the minimalist professional all at once. Once you get used to the build quality, the ecosystem integration, and the raw performance of an A-series powered Mac, jumping to a different ecosystem becomes almost impossible. The MacBook Neo 2 isn't just a product launch. It's a customer acquisition machine. It is designed to be the first Apple device you buy, and once you realize how much more efficient your daily work becomes, it will likely be the reason you never buy a Windows computer again. The internal debates at Apple regarding this machine are intense. Some factions within the company want to push the Neo 2 even further into the Pro territory, potentially risking the sales of the base-level MacBook Air. But the consensus seems to be that the Neo 2 serves a different purpose. It's the people's Mac. It's designed to be accessible, durable, and surprisingly powerful. The leaks coming out of the manufacturing hubs in Asia suggest that mass production is already being prepared to scale at a speed we haven't seen since the original launch of the Apple Silicon transition. Apple knows they have a winner on their hands, and they're preparing the supply chain to ensure that when this machine hits the shelves, it's available in quantities that satisfy the massive demand. What about the potential downsides? Well, every product has a trade-off. To reach these performance levels at this price, you will likely still see the lack of features like MagSafe or a high-end display refresh rate. Apple is very careful about segmenting their product line. The Neo 2 will always be a step below the Air and the Pro in certain luxury features. But for the vast majority of people who spend 90% of their time in a browser, a word processor, or an editing suite, those missing features are irrelevant. You aren't losing anything that actually impacts your daily output. Instead, you are gaining a machine that is arguably more efficient for your specific needs than a much more expensive, over-engineered model. As we look toward the potential announcement date, the excitement is palpable. The tech community is buzzing with leaks about the possible reveal window. Historically, Apple has used spring events to refresh their more entry-level hardware, and everything points to a pattern that suggests the MacBook Neo 2 will follow suit. The industry insiders are all pointing to the same indicators: component orders, assembly line activity, and the typical cadence of A-series chip deployment. We are closer than you think to seeing this device in the wild. And when it drops, the comparisons to existing budget laptops won't even be close. The performance per watt gap between the A19 Pro and the competition is simply too wide for other companies to bridge in a single product cycle.